Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
When the dark, thunderous clouds gather over Punjab, the temperature drops, it starts to rain, and the body starts to crave for a high-calorie fried food. And then comes the classic breakfast of Punjab, Puda, pan-fried sweet bread. And this is the batter, lump-free, free-flowing. But how to make it? Well, I'll tell you all the ingredients as we go along the video. Let's get started. First thing, ghee, not clarified butter, and oil certainly not, but you can use it if you wish. Take ghee, drizzle over your tawa, fry pan, hot plate, whatever you are using. Spread the ghee and drop a dollop of batter. Now, the first ingredient for the batter traditionally used is flour, but I am using multigrain flour. Now spread the batter slowly. Now pooda is a classic Punjabi breakfast. It is generally made on rainy days, whether during the rainy season and definitely during the retreating monsoon season or the winter rain season. It's high calorie, very nourishing, very filling, and wonderful to have. And now for the next ingredient, that is jaggery or cane sugar, but lots of people these days use sugar also. Drizzle some ghee over the pooda a little later and along the edges on your pan also. Now flip. Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? This side has started to get cooked, really nice. Now allow the other side also to get cooked. Now flip. There you are, beautiful, isn't it? Now sea salt and rock salt or Himalayan salt, they were very common in Punjab, so I am going to be using sea salt. You can use any salt you wish. That is our third ingredient. In the meantime, look how beautiful the pooda is getting cooked. It's really beautiful. That's a beautiful breakfast, high calorie. There, flip again. Allow the side to get cooked and get a little firmer. This is the classical breakfast of Punjab. Flip again, and generally made on rainy days when the temperature cools. As I said, the body craves for high calorie food. Now ghee, as I mentioned earlier also, is our fourth ingredient. Now flip again. This is a classical breakfast of Punjab, made in some parts of Himachal, and Punjabis in Jammu region also. Flip and flip till the time. Keep flipping occasionally till the time the pooda is done. Now fresh water from any natural source. This is another important ingredient. Fresh water depending upon the consistency you want, but about 150 mils is enough. Now flip again. There we are. It's really beautiful and feel like having it? Well, just wait. Let it get a little more firmer. And baking powder. Now baking powder is added right in the end That is the moment you're going to cook the puda, not before that. Baking powder is optional and not a part of the original recipe. Mix all these ingredients except the baking powder, which is done at the end. There you are. The puda is almost done. Its fragrance is fantastic. Switch off the flame, plate, and serve fluffy pudas to all your friends, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.